After this video, you will be able to earn $60,000 with artificial intelligence in seconds. I know it sounds like a dream, but believe me, it's very easy to earn this number with the tactics I'll show you. This seller you see sells only digital photos and has earned more than $60,000 so far. No matter where you are in the world, you will be able to do this job from your bed, and you won't have any problems like shipping either. You will be very surprised when you see how easy this method is. Don't worry, you don't need to have any skills for this job, because with the tactics I will give you, you can create a digital product like this in seconds. Listen carefully to the steps I will show you in this video, and watch the video without skipping to understand it better. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. The name of the website we will use is playground.ai. As you can see, you can create 1,000 images per day on this site, and it's completely free. You can register on the site by email. Then, such an interface will meet you. Type the image you want to create in the prompt section. If you want something not to appear in the photo, use the Exclude from Image section. You can look at other photos for this. The Image to Image section allows you to create images similar to a photo you uploaded. You can select the dimensions of the image from the right side. You are choosing which style the image you will create from the Filter section. Prompt guidance means that higher values will make your image closer to your prompt. I recommend that you make this setting 15. Quality and details mean that your image will result in a high quality, but will take longer to create. Take this at the highest value, because we want our photos to be of the highest quality. And from the bottom you can also choose how many images to produce at one time. But trust me, we haven't started yet, because what comes next is mind-blowing. So if you want me to make more videos like this, please make sure to hit the subscribe and like button. If you want to be rich in 2023, write yes in the comments. Download the image you have created to your computer and enter the smartmockups.com. This site allows you to make mockups very easily. As you can see, there are a lot of frame mockups. You can choose the mockup you want. Upload the image you have created to this site, and your mockup is ready in seconds. We are now ready to make a sale on Etsy. From the link I wrote in the description, we open an account. If you register from the link I gave, you will be able to upload the first 40 products for free. If you register yourself, you have to pay 20 cents per product. It will ask you to upload one product to open a store. On Etsy, you can watch videos on how to open a store and how to upload a product. I won't tell you about it in this video, because the video can get too long. If you want me to make a video about this topic, don't forget to mention it in the comments. After uploading our product digitally, you can wait for sales. You can set an advertising budget from the Etsy ads section and make the products you create appear in front of more people. So I started selling on Etsy and started making money. All you need to do is take action, and take action today. Start making money online without further procrastination. Thanks to artificial intelligence, it is now easier to make money on the internet. In the comments section, write down which country you live in so that I can show you the methods of making money that work for your country. If you want to be rich in 2023, write yes in the comments. We are showing you many money-making ways that have not yet been shown to you for free on our channel. If you want more ways to make money in this way, you can look at our channel. I would like to note that this is all from us for today. If you liked our video, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for free. In the comments section, which is the most important thing for me, write down which country you live in so that I can show you the methods of making money that work for the country where you live. If you want to be rich in 2023, write yes in the comments. See you in other videos. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.